you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. Today's video is about some human hair that was sent to me. So if you guys want to learn more about this hair, then definitely keep on watching. Before we jump right into this new hair, definitely make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl. And yeah, make sure you share this video, like it, engage with me, comment down below, all that good stuff. Alright you guys, so today's hair is by Longqi. This is a company that I've worked with plenty of times before. This time I am reviewing their straight hair. So I did get 3 bundles of straight hair from them, and then I also did get a closure. The closure was a decent size. This is what the closure looks like. I think it's just your average size closure. The closure was not pre-plucked. I did have to pluck the closure, so I definitely plucked a little bit of hair from it, not too much. So the 3 bundles that I received was actually not enough hair to complete this wig, so I did have to use some other hair, but that's in the middle, so you can't even detect that hair. But yeah, I did have to use some other hair to make sure that it was full enough. So you know, when you're using straight hair, oftentimes you do need more bundles, especially when they're long. So the longest length was 24 inches, and then I had 22 and 20. So I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation inside here because I didn't bleach the knots. I'm going to see how well it looks with it plucked like this. I may need to pluck a little bit more, and I'll also check and see how the fit is. I may have to run a flat iron over it as well, but we'll see about that. If you're curious about the hair that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review on my channel for this hair. I'll leave a link right up here or a link down in the description box if you want more information on it. If you like my makeup look, I did do this makeup look live in the makeup group, Makeup for Black Women. If you have not added that group on Facebook, definitely add it. That's where I do a lot of my makeup looks, in that Facebook group. If you're not following me on my social media, make sure you correct that and go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Jess the Dragoness and on Facebook at Jess the Dragoness. And yeah, let's jump right into this wig.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Get my
guys, so here is the finished look. I definitely love this hair. No big surprise. I mean, I've worked with Longqi plenty of times, and I always like their hair. I tend to stick with the companies that I know and that I'm really familiar with their product and their quality. I don't want to be recommending you guys companies that I'm a little iffy about or unsure. So I definitely know that this company has some bomb hair, and their hair has been consistently bomb over the different over the different styles and types that I have tried. I definitely like you know, Longqi's hair. If you're curious about this little puppy right here, this is a new edge brush. It's called Baby Tress, and I will leave a link down below where you can check out this. Hey you guys, sorry my camera died a while ago, and I did have a bunch of errands to run, so I did go and do all that stuff, but I did want to let you know about what I was talking about before the camera died or whatever. So this is the edge brush that I use. This brush is called Baby Tress. It is from a new company on Instagram called Shop Baby Tress. So you can definitely go over there and check out all they have to offer in terms of these edge brushes. This brush is dope because you can use all sides of the brush to help assist with your baby hair look. You can use the pointed edge to go ahead and grab your baby hairs. You can use the bristle side to go ahead and brush them out, and you can use the silicone side. What I use it for, to just brush back the hairs around your baby hair so that it doesn't get messed up or whatever. I really like it. It's very soft, it's very malleable. I just like it so far. I'm gonna keep trying it. What I do find is that it does leave the hairs still looking like hair, which I really like. Like, it very much so separates the strands when you brush it down. So I definitely like that. So I also like the fact that it has its own case. So you can literally just stick your Baby Tress brush into its carrying case, and you can just drop this into your makeup bag or your overnight bag, and you don't have to worry about getting edge control all over the place. And I really like that. It's very cute and novel of an idea. I also have another Baby Tress hair edge control brush that I will be giving away. I will be giving this puppy away. In the last video I recorded, all the directions are there, so I will link that giveaway video up here, so you can just click back to that, see what you have to do to enter, and yeah, I'll be giving this one away, so you can give it a try. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're curious about this shirt that I did change into, I went to run errands, so I didn't want to have my whole chesticles out while I was running my errands, so I did just throw on my Glee Maid shirt. Glee Maid is my new collection of synthetic wigs, so if you want to check those out, you can definitely click in the info box down below and check out what I have to offer. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you want to learn more about this hair, there will be a link in the information bar so you can check out this hair. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed. I think I already said that. Make sure you're following me on all my social media at Jess the Dragoness. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you.